In this video, I'm going to review Stan Store, what it is, how it works, and my honest take after using it to build my own store. If you've been thinking about selling digital products, offering coaching sessions, or growing your email list through social media, Stan Store might be something you've seen pop up. It's used by a lot of creators online, especially those active on TikTok and Instagram. But what exactly does it offer? Is it really as easy as it looks? And most importantly, does it actually work? We will cover all of that today. Quick note before we dive in, if you decide to try Stan Store after watching this video, I've added my affiliate link in the description of this video, which means I will earn a small commission if you decide to sign up through it at no extra cost to you. Thank you very much for supporting my channel, and now let's get started. What is Stan Store and what does it help you do? Stan Store is basically an online storefront made for creators. You set it up once, add your digital products, services, courses, or even a sign-up form, and then connect it to your social media. The idea is that when someone clicks the link in your bio, they land on a page that looks and feels like it's part of Instagram or TikTok, not a separate website that takes them somewhere unfamiliar. This setup makes it feel smoother for your audience to go from watching your content to checking out what you offer. It's also super simple. You don't need to know code, you don't need a designer, you just drag and drop your offers into your storefront and go live. You can sell things like PDFs, ebooks, courses, coaching sessions, or offer free downloads to grow your email lists. You can even collect payments and book calls directly in the platform. How easy it is to set up your store. I set mine up in just under 20 minutes. That including adding my profile picture, writing my bio and social links, choosing my brand color, setting up Stripe, and creating my first products. Now, to give you some perspective, I've set up shops on other platforms before, and it took literally hours, sometimes days. Even setting up Stripe on my old site took over an hour. With Stan Store, it was refreshingly simple. You don't hit a lot of tech walls. The platform kind of just guides you along the way. What's it like adding your first products? Once you sign up, you can start adding products right away. When you hit add a product, you get to choose the type: digital products, course, coaching call, subscription, link, and so on. I added a coaching session as my first product and linked it to my availability calendar. The whole thing took just a few minutes, and once it's live, you can preview how it looks inside your store instantly. There's a clean dashboard where you can see your sales, your email signups, your appointments, and more. If you're on the Pro plan, you also get tools like email flows and funnel tracking in that same dashboard. How much does Stan Store cost every month? Stan Store offers two main pricing options: the Creator Plan, which costs $29 per month and includes everything you need to start: your store, the ability to book appointments, host courses and memberships, and collect email signups. Now, if you want more tools like email marketing, discount codes, upsells, payment plans, affiliate payouts, and tracking tools like a Facebook Pixel, then you'll need the Creator Pro plan. This plan costs $99 a month. There's also a 14-day free trial for both plans, so you can test everything out before paying. And if you'd rather pay once a year, you can get the Creator plan for $300 annually, or the Creator Pro plan for $948 per year. Also important to know, Stan Store doesn't take a cut of your sales, but the payment processors it uses, Stripe and PayPal, do charge their usual transaction fees. So when you're setting up your product prices, factor those in. How does Stan Store pay you? Payments are handled through Stripe or PayPal, depending on which one you connect during setup. Once someone buys from your store, you can go into the Income tab in your dashboard to see what's available for payouts. There's a button there that says Cash Out, and when you click it, the money gets transferred to your bank account. In my case, I usually see the money arrive the next business day, so it's pretty quick. Can you build and sell a course on Stan Store? Yes, and honestly, it's one of the easiest course builders I've used. You can create multiple modules, add text, videos, and downloadable files like checklists or workbooks. Each course also gets its own landing page where you can add a description, pricing, and reviews. I've tried building courses on other platforms like Teachable and School, and they work, but they feel a bit heavy. Stan Store keeps it light. It's more focused and user-friendly. It's not overloaded with features. you don't need. Does Stand Store support email marketing? If you're on the Creator Pro plan, yes, it has email flows built in. That means you can send automated emails to someone after they buy your product or sign up for your lists. You can also connect Stand Store to email platforms like MailChimp or use a tool called Zapier to link it with other services. I tried linking it and it was just a one-click process. Now, when someone signs up through my store, they're automatically added to the right list and tagged so I can follow up with them later. Can you automate messages in Stand Store? Yes, they launched a feature called AutoDM at the beginning of the year. This lets you send direct messages automatically to someone who comments or DMs you with a certain word on Instagram. So let's say you post a reel and say, comment the word guide below to get my free ebook. The system sees that comment, then sends the person a direct message with the download link. It's a faster, more direct way to help people get what they want. And it converts better than just telling people to click the link in your bio. How many products should you sell in your Stand Store? Technically, there is no limit. But from what I've tested and others have said, keeping it to around 6 or fewer products tends to convert better. Too many options can actually lead to decision fatigue where people don't pick anything. So I usually stick to a few main offers and rotate them depending on what I'm promoting. Can Stand Store replace a traditional website? For some people, it can. If your main goal is to sell digital products, book calls, or collect emails, and you're already building an audience on social media, then Stand Store can act as your main online hub. Frankly, you don't need a traditional website anymore to explain everything you do. Between your content and your Stand Store, your audience gets what they need. Especially now that people are using Instagram and TikTok almost like search engines, it makes sense to meet them where they already are. Now, with that said, if you need a more detailed website or a blog or something with deep customization, Stand Store might not be enough. But for simple selling and list building, it's a solid choice. How about cancellation? Can you cancel your Stand Store easily? Yes. If you want to cancel, you log in, go to settings, then the billing tab, and there's a button to cancel your subscription. You'll answer a few quick questions and your store stays active until the end of your billing period. No phone calls and no weird hoops to jump through. Finally, is Stand Store worth it? Here's my honest take. If you're building a massive store with physical products and lots of inventory, Stand Store probably is not the right tool for you because it's not built for that. But if you're a digital creator, coach, or a service-based business, or even just getting started online and want a simple way to sell without all the tech headaches, it's absolutely worth checking out. The 14-day free trial makes it easy to test things out. You can upload a product, run a few sales, and see if it fits how you work. The setup is clean, checkout is smooth, there are no commission fees, and you're not stuck juggling 5 different tools to make one sale. That simplicity, it's kind of the whole point. And for a lot of creators, that's exactly what makes it so effective. So if you're curious about trying out Stand Store, there's a link in the description below so you can start your free trial and explore it for yourself. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.